Today's been quite random. It's about 1:30 in the morning now. Been trekking around London all night. Bumped into a mate, Cyrus, went to his shop in Camden and just had a little smoke and a catch up in there. It was nice. Now I'm just waiting for my train. As you can see, probably shouldn't be smoking on the platform, but I don't want to miss this train because it's the last one back. Otherwise I'm stranded all night, and I don't trust my impulses. I've taken a lot of pills, I've smoked quite a lot. I've got a bottle of Jack Daniels. So yeah, I'm quite proud of myself because I could well have just gone off, taken the rest of the pills that I've got, done all the rest of what I've got, and just fucking passed out. And didn't, because you know what? I don't care right now. Shit, there's people around. But I don't really care. But the universe is guiding me home, so I'm trusting in her. That's the best space for me right now. Peace.